In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group email in Outlook. If you want to send messages more efficiently to a team, class, or shared contact group, Outlook makes that process simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to access your group's area and start sending an email to a group in just a few clicks. To begin, open Outlook in your browser and make sure you're on the main mail screen. Once you're there, look toward the lower part of the left sidebar and click the grid icon. This icon opens up more Outlook apps and tools, so it's the first place to go when the option you need is not immediately visible in your main inbox view. After clicking the grid icon, find and click on Groups. This will take you to the Outlook Groups section, where you can manage shared communication spaces for teams or organize contacts. Groups are useful because they let you send messages to multiple people through one shared destination, instead of adding recipients one by one every time. Once the Groups page opens, select the group you want to use. Make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you belong to several groups with similar names. Taking a moment here can help you avoid sending your email to the wrong audience. After selecting your group, click on Send Email. This opens the email composer connected to that group, so your message will be directed to the members associated with it. This is a convenient way to keep communication organized, especially for project updates, announcements, or recurring team messages. Next, click on Create. This starts a new message for the selected group. From there, you can continue by entering your subject and writing the body of your email. If needed, you can also review the message before sending it to make sure everything looks right and your content is clear. One helpful tip is to double-check the group name before you begin writing, especially in shared work environments where groups may have overlapping purposes. It's also a good idea to keep your subject line specific so recipients immediately understand what the email is about. And that's how to group email in Outlook. Once you know where the group section is, the process becomes quick and easy, and it can save you time whenever you need to communicate with multiple people at once.